I can't believe I caught this on camera.
Right here on the torque wrench. I don't want to break all these.
I literally just got my triple clamps back from snapping a bolt inside my lower clamp.
You're going to witness it live. That's getting suspiciously tight. God dang it. Y'all just watched it happen again. Y'all just watched it happen again. We got miraculously lucky, y'all. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Just saved me 80 bucks. These bolts snap so easy. Y'all hear that? That's crazy. I'm glad I was live streaming. That's going to clip. Snap the bolt, man.